Chapter 11. There is a common belief around the world that if many people can come to a consensus as to what belief is true, that this is proof for the proposed belief. This, however, is not true. Blind faith to an unquestioned belief proves only how pathetic the average believer is. A believer will believe that the creed handed down to the believer is ultimate truth and all other belief systems are crazy cults. Millions will proclaim, with sometimes violent opposition, that their God is obvious because evidence is all around. Many learned men have used grand apologetics to prove with words that words of our ancestors are true. Nonsense! Our ancestors were mostly fools, as is still the case. Believe in no creed. Embrace learning. Read from many creeds and many myths, and then leave it. There is no big secret. It is all around us.